Hello and good evening to all of you. Welcome to the COMEDK Launchpad session of AOD. As you were asking in the last session only, in the last live of mathematics, please do AOD next. So I am doing here today AOD COMEDK Launchpad for mathematics. Okay, so we'll take some questions from the PYQ section and solve all of it together. Okay, let's see who all are here. Hi to everyone. So कौन hai? I can see a lot of people are here. Kiran, hi. Shagufta, hi. Vaishnavi, hello. Okay, so how are you all doing? First thing is, please let me know how is the audio and everything is clear. Everyone, is audio and video all good? No problem, right? No technical issues. So we'll just wait for one minute, okay, and then start the session right away. If you have to say something to me, you can just leave your comments in the live chat. All right, I can just see all of you are here. Vikash is there. Fine, very good, thank you. Yes, clear sir. Sagufta, yes. Sai is there. Okay, so I can see that a lot of students are already here, and whoever are here, I should not waste their time. So we'll start the question right away. Since you're all here, let's start the questions right away, okay, without wasting any minute of your time. So first question, so I would like, my sessions pattern. My sessions pattern is you have to answer the questions, not only here for the solutions. You take the questions, answer it, then I'll give you the solutions. Come on. First question, we are looking for fx is 5 upon x plus 7 where x is not equal to 0 is decreasing for what interval? Decreasing for what interval? How is my increasing function? Derivative. So find the derivative of this. Answers, guys, please. Answers. Yes. Answers for this. 5 is a constant. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 upon x square plus 0. Please check. Minus 5 upon x square. That's my derivative. All clear. X square is a positive number. What I'm getting here? Negative number by positive number. What is the answer going to be? What is the result for this? The result is, sir, negative number. It means less than 0. So I'm getting here f dash of x is less than 0. Less than 0. It means fx will be decreasing function. Decreasing function. Where, sir? Decreasing everywhere but when x is not equal to 0. So all real and remove 0 from here. All real and remove 0 from here. How come, sir? Because otherwise it will become 1 by 0, no? So undefined. So answer will be option B. All real will remove from 0. So option B is the right answer. So let me turn on the AC, students. It's kind of hot. Okay. So I'll just turn it on. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. So yes, yeah, I can see the answers now from all of you. B is right. B is right, guys. Yes. Vikas has given the right answer for the derivative also. Moving on to second question. So anyone who has doubt can let me know that as well. Vaishnavi has given the answer as B as well. Okay. So anyone who has doubt, you can leave their questions, the queries to me. I'll clear that as well. Okay. So the function fx given as cot inverse of x plus x increases in the interval. What is the interval, sir? Please check. Same problem. F dash of x will become equal to cot inverse of x is a what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square I have. Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square I have plus 1. I have LCM as 1 plus x square. End up with minus 1 plus x square. Cancel. Answer is x square upon 1 plus x square. What is this, sir? Positive number by positive number. It means whole thing is always positive. What I'm getting over here, or of course equals to 0. Yes. So I get here f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0. It means fx is increasing where? For x belongs to any real number. For x belongs to any real number. Okay, I can take any real number. It will be always increasing in nature. Okay, so I can see the answer is here. Rasmi is asking some question. So the KSET exam was very easy according to many people. Yes, paper was really easy. 142, 285 in boards. So 285 is a little less. If you can score 95, 295 it was, no. If it was 295 or 290 plus with 142, you will easily get answer, rank less than 1000. But close to that only you will get. I think you should be getting around 1500 to close to that. Okay, 1500 to 1000 rank you should get. Okay, please check. What is the answer, sir? Option D is correct. So somebody has given me the answer as C as well. Okay, answer D Sagupta, answer is right. Tejas, answer is right. Vikas, yeah, great. Neha, please check your answer. Answer is D. Answer is D. Next problem. Next problem, what we have over here. Okay. All right. This question who's solving is slant height of a cone is fixed at 7 centimeter. This is a very good question. This is a very good question. Who's solving this? Come on, give me the answer for this one. They're saying that for a cone, this L is given as 7. And there is a rate of increase of its height. Okay, they have given dH by dt as 0.3. As 0.3. Rate of increase of its volume when its height is 4 centimeter. They have given h as 4. They're asking us dV by dt. They're asking us dV by dt. Let's find, first of all, we can find here the value of r from here, right? So I'll have L square equals to h square plus r square. That's the relation that we have for right circular cone. Remember, this is the cone, right? This is your r, this is your h, and this is your L. We can use Pythagoras theorem for this. So I can get the value of r square as, please check, 49 minus, how much is it, 16 equals to r square. So I'm getting the value of r square as 33, so 33, right? And this is it. Please check. This is clear. R square is 33. Great. D is correct. So Gupta, D is correct. D is correct answer. Let me solve it. Okay, so we'll just differentiate this equation number 1. What I'll have over here, please check, 0 equals to 2h dh by dt plus 2r dr by dt, right? Because L is a constant, so I can write here dl will be basically dl by dt will be 0 because it's a constant. Okay, so what I have from here, 2 and 2 is cancelled because the constant I can take on this side, it will become 0 by 2. So 2 is cancelled, not a problem. So I can get here dr by dt will be how much, sir? Move on this side. I'll have minus h dh by dt divided by r. But I'm looking for dv by dt, right? So let's find this. So I have v value as 1 by 3 pi r square h. dv by dt I'm looking for. Right here, dv by dt. This will be 1 by 3 pi is a constant, keep it outside. I'll have derivative of this as h as it is 2r dr by dt plus, I'm going to keep this time r square as it is. I'll have dh by dt, right? 1 by 3 pi. What's the value of h, sir? H is going to be how much? We'll do that later. Okay, no problem. We'll do that later. We have 2 into r. Value of this is going to be how much? Minus h by r dh by dt plus r square dh by dt. Correct? I can see here r and r is cancelled. Okay, and I can take this value common. So I have here 1 by 3 pi dh by dt. What I have over here? Minus 2h square plus r square. Great. Please check the last value what we're having, the last result. I'll have this equals to 1 by 3 pi is there, so keep it here as 1 by 3 pi. This value is how much, sir? dh by dt is given as 0.3, right here, 0.3. And the last part we have 2 times of h square. So h square is going to be, sir, how much? Will be 16 into 2. I'll have mass 32. And what is r square? Plus 33. Plus 33. Okay. So I get here, this is cancelled, right? With 0.1 actually. I'll have this here 0.1. 0.1 into pi. How much is the result coming as? Final answer I can show you over here. I'm getting this dv by dt as 0.1 pi. How much is that? Pi by 10. How much is this? Pi by 10. Have a look. Clear. Okay. Ishwar, I'm not getting COMEDK batch. How to log in? Ishwar, do one thing. Leave your comment after this live is over. Okay. And I will get back to you. Reply to your comment. Okay. Don't leave it in this chat box. After the live is over, right? Leave your comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Okay. Yes. So others, continue from the question over here. what we have, a ladder 5 meter long, similar problem asked in 2015, 5 meter long, leaning against the wall. Okay, this is the wall, ladder is 5, let's call this wall to be height h, this distance to be distance x. Okay, just a case. All right, guys, please solve this question as well. So I cannot see a lot of answers coming my way, even though you are all here. Come on. So ladder is 5 given here. They are saying that bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at, so they have given here dx by dt, right? Is 2 meters per second. Okay. The speed at which the height of the wall decreases. They are asking us dx by dt. Okay. They are asking us dh by dt actually. Is how much? When the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the, okay, they're saying that this is 4. When x is 4, sir, what is the value of h? H will become 3. Correct? When x is 4, h will become 3. This is Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so we'll have 3, 4, 5. 9 plus 16 will be 25. Root of that is 5. Okay, so I'm looking for what we have. I have a relation over here, right? X square plus h square equals to 25. Differentiate this, you will have 2x dx by dt plus 2h dh by dt equals to 0. 2 constant is cancelled, I get x value. I'm looking for dh by dt, right? So dh by dt will be equals to what, sir? Minus x upon h dx by dt. What is minus x? Minus 4. What is h? 3. And this value is 2. Answer is minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3. Answer will turn out to be, please check, option B is correct. Option B is correct. Yeah, so Geet is given the right answer. So it's been 2 days, sir. Please help. Even customer care people are not understanding, not responding. That's really, I don't know. This cannot be the case. Okay. All right, do one thing. You can I'm telling you, this is the best way to get your problem resolved. Right now, in this comment section, you can leave the same comment in this live. I'll ask the team to get back, get in touch with you. They can reply you. You can get in touch with the team directly. Okay, no problem. Ishwar, don't worry, we'll get it fixed. Ishwar, we'll get it fixed today only. Okay, pakka. Okay, Sagufta, B is correct answer. Moving on. Next question. Okay. Sir, I don't know, because most of the cases we don't have a situation like this. This is the first time I'm hearing it. But please let it know. I'll go and personally talk to the team and make sure that they are replying to your comment right away in front of me. That can happen. Sir, I'll do that from my side for sure. I'll go after this live. I'll go to the team and ask them to reply to your comment, give you support. At that point of time, you can connect with them and get it resolved. Because I don't think there's a problem with the platform. Everything is working just fine. We had a live yesterday. Okay, I'll be waiting. Yes, no problem. The point of the circle x square plus y square equals to 2, at which the abscissa and the ordinate increases at the same rate. Means they're saying that change in x is same as change in y. Change in y. They're saying that change in x is same as change in y. Okay. So how can I differentiate this? Please check. You have the condition given to you. X square plus y square equals to 2. Differentiate. You'll have 2x dx by dt plus 2 by dy by dt equals to 0. Remove this 2 and 2. I'll go this side will become 0 by 2. So 0 yoga. Okay, we have 0 at that side. What we have, we are looking for. They're saying they're equal, right? Sorry, they're looking equal, no? So I can take dx by dt common. I'll have over here x plus y. This cannot be 0. It means this part has to be 0. This cannot be 0, sir. I can get this part to be 0. Please check. So I get here x equals to minus y, basically. Check which is the correct option. Same sign, same sign. Option B is correct. So whatever is x, y should be negative of that. Okay. So basically my answer will be, what's 1 minus 1 or minus 1, 1. How do you can see that, sir? Put it here. 1 plus 1 will become 2, no? Right? Okay. So option B is correct. What's the answer? Option B is the right response. Okay. So Gupta, B is right. Fun times, please check your answer. Sweta, B is correct. Okay. So Gupta, B is right. Yeah. Anaga, B is also right. Dear, I am already delayed with my questions, so let me complete my session first. I want to complete all the questions first for all of you, then I'll answer your general queries. Please forgive me for that. Already slowed down a lot. So let me just complete the questions, then get back to you with your answers of general queries about any rank or something like that. A spherical balloon is being inflated at the rate of this, they've given here. They've given here volume change, right? This is dV by dt. How much is that? 35. You don't need a unit. When its radius is 7 centimeter, radius is 7 centimeters, they're asking us ds by dt. That's what they're asking us. Great. So we can use directly over here. Let's see. We'll have dv by dt as a derivative of 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So we'll have 4 by 3 constant as it is. Derivative will give me, pi is of course there, 3r square dr by dt. I hope all of you know this, right? The volume is given by, please check, 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 is a constant, pi is a constant, differentiation of r cube, 3r square dr by dt. All good? 3 and 3 is cancelled. I can see from here, dv by dt will become equal to simply 4 pi r square dr by dt. From here I can get dr by dt will be equal to, what is this value, sir? This value is given as 35. Right here, 35 upon, this will go in here, right? 4 pi r square. 35 is the dv by dt value. I can move this 4 pi r square on this side. Excuse me. You'll have this as 35 by 4 pi r square. This is my dr by dt. Let's continue now. We are looking for ds by dt. Correct? S is given by 4 pi r square. Find here dr by dt. So ds by dt, I'll have over here as 8 pi r dr by dt, giving me this value as 8 pi r. This will become 35 upon 4 pi r square. So we have here 2 left. R and R is cancelled. I'm getting this as 70 upon r, right? 70 upon, what is the value of r here? R is given as 7 by 7. So I have the result as 10. Result is 10. This is a PYQ of KSET and COMEDK, both. This is a PYQ of KSET and COMEDK both. Yeah, so I can see all of you are getting the right answer. A, yes, Sagufta, Shweta, Shavant and Anagha. All of you have given the right answer here. Very good. Shahana, yes. Okay. So let's move on from this question. This was a very simple question, right? This was a very simple question, not difficult at all. Moving on. What we have, the function fx is given as 5 plus 36x plus 3x square minus 2x cube is there, decreasing in the interval. This is a not difficult but fun problem. We'll see. Differentiate here f dash of x as 0 plus 36 plus 6x minus 6x square. I can take 6 common, right? I can take minus 6 common actually. I'll have here, this will become positive, so I'll have x square minus x minus 6. Okay, I can put here 0. Why I'm putting 0, sir? To find the critical point. Okay, this is the step. First step is to find the derivative. Second step is to find the critical points. Okay, putting it equal to 0. So I have over here, I can move this on this side, it will become simply 0. I'll have x square minus x minus 6. Can you factorize this? I will have x minus 3 and x plus 2. Please check. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. X square, we have minus 3x plus 2x becomes minus x only. Okay. So x value is going to be 3 and minus 2. Number line is next. Number line. Here all real numbers is there, starting from minus 2 plus 3. Check the coefficient of x. Check the coefficient of x. Is it positive, sir? Yes, positive. It means start from plus sign. Plus, minus, plus. Because powers of the factors are only 1 and 1. Odd powers are there. So the sign change will be there at all the critical points. I'm looking for decreasing, means this interval. I'm looking for decreasing means I'm looking for derivative to be negative. Answer will be minus 2, 3, both open. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Voice थोड़ी सी low है sir. Okay, Vyom, I'll check. I'll try to speak louder, no problem. I'll take that into account. Yes, so I can see the right answer from a lot of you. Shravant is saying, Shagufta, Anagha, Shahana, yes, Sweta. Vyom, please try the question as well. Yeah, no doubt, right? Sorry, I was covering this. Simple but fun, right? Because of the application of wavy curve into it. Application of wavy curve into it. Yes. Yes, guys, you can ask it out, no problem. Doubt regarding questions you can ask right now. Regarding general doubts, I'll take it after I complete all the problems, because it's unfair to the students who are waiting for the questions, right? My goal right now is to take the problems first, then later we can discuss later. Okay. If the area of circle increases at a uniform rate, okay, increases, right? It means area is, what is it? Area, sir? Pi r square is the area, no? Excuse me, I made a mistake. Yeah. Area is pi r square. So we'll have dA by dr as, please check, 2 pi r. They are saying already that it's increasing in nature. They are saying what? Increasing in nature. It means it's already given as positive. It means they are saying that 2 pi r is already given as positive. Correct? What is the perimeter of the circle, sir? It's 2 pi r. Okay, if 2 pi is positive means I can write dv by dr. I'll have what? This as simply 2 pi. Positive only. So you can see here, even this perimeter will be varying with the same rate of the radius. You can see here directly as it radius. Option A will be correct. All is positive only, sir. All is positive only, sir. So the trend will remain increasing all the time with the area, with the perimeter, and with the radius. Simple. Yes. Okay, yes, A is correct. Vyom, Anaga, Shagufta. Excellent. Very good, dear. Moving on. This is simple, right? I hope everyone got it. Simple problem. Okay. 11. It was asked in 2011. Moving on. What we have next is surface area of the ball is increasing at the rate of 2 pi square centimeter. Okay. Correct? The rate at which the radius is increasing. They are asking us dr by dt is how much, and they've given area also. They've given this surface area S. Please check. They're given the surface area as 16 pi. S is given as 16 pi. It's a ball, right? It means 4 pi r square is the formula. Right here, 4 pi r square equals to 16 pi. Pi is cancelled. I get 4 4s are. It means r square is 4. So radius, so always positive, r will be simply 2. R will be simply 2. We cannot take minus 2, right? Radius, length, all is positive. I'm looking for dr by dt. Let's apply now. I have s equals to 4 pi r square. Differentiate this. I'll have ds by dt as 4 pi into 2r into dr by dt. How much is this given as? This value is given as 2 pi. Right here, 2 pi. 2 pi divided by 8 pi r equals to dr by dt. Pi cancel. 2 4s is 8. I'm getting dr by dt as how much, sir? 1 by 4r. What is r value? Put here. 1 by 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. So I'm getting, please check, I'm getting this dr by dt as 1 by 8. What is that going to be? Half of 1 by 4. Half of a quarter is 1 by 8. Half of a quarter is 1 by 8. What does quarter means? Quarter means 0.25. Quarter means 0.25. Quarter means 0.25. Half of that will be 0.125. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Please check. Sir, NCERT का question है ये तो. Yes, dear. So your COMEDK and KSET problems are based upon NCERT only, no? Yes, A is correct. Mike Tyson, I have Jai Sri Ram. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Great. What is there? Option is A, B. Somebody has given B answer. Fun times, please check. Mike Tyson has given the right answer. A is correct. Shagufta, A is correct. Vyom, A is correct. Tejas, A is correct. Yes, Anaga also has given the right answer. A is the correct option. Let's move on. Next, what we have, fx is given like this. We are looking for minimum value of f. We are looking for minimum value of f. Means wherever they are asking about question on minimum, maximum, increasing, decreasing, what is the next step? f dash of x. Find it out. Applying the quotient rule over here, differentiate this part, you'll have simply 2x left here. This as it is, x square plus 1 is as it is. Next what we have is the minus sign, differentiate this one now, we'll have 2x. And what is left now? The numerator, x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 the whole square. Looks challenging? Will not be, I'll show you. What I have over here, I can take 2x common, right? I have here left x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1. Please check. Minus x square minus 1 into minus will become plus 1. Okay. Divided by, I have here x square plus 1 the whole square. Cancel, cancel. Answer is 4x divided by x square plus 1 the whole square. Okay. Putting it equal to 0 to find what? The critical point. Please check. This is a non-zero value and positive value. Non-zero positive value it is. Correct? No? Because this can never be 0. X square is a positive number, right? Any positive number you add to 1. Can it be ever negative number or anything 0? No. It will be a non-zero positive value. It means, sir, I have only one answer over here. Critical point, x equals to 0. I have only one point, which is critical point here, x equal to 0. Put here, x is 0 you can put, it will become, whole thing will become 0. Okay. Means we don't have to worry about finding the second derivative. Approach will be find second derivative of x and check at this point whether it is coming as positive or not. But why to do all of that? There's only one critical point, sir. There's only one critical point. And if there's no option given here, none of these. If I had an option given here as none of these, if I had an option given here as none of these, what's my going to be approach? This one only. I have to check whether it is a minima or not. If I had option here, option D as none of these, I have to check for the minima. If it is not, then we can say none of these. But in this case, there's no option like that. I can simply write this value x equal to 0 in this function. That will be my minima directly. Please check. I'll have an answer as 0 minus 1 upon 0 plus 1. Minus 1 upon 1, answer is minus 1. I'll repeat myself. If there was an option given here as none of these, then you have to find the second derivative and check the trend of the function, whether it is positive or negative. Okay. But in this case, there's no need. There's no need. Okay. Chaliye. Great. Yes, I can see answer is option D. COMEDK mein, the more questions are coming from 12th only. More, you have, I think for 12th you have 67% weightage and for 11th you have 33% weightage. That's your weightage for COMEDK. Yeah. Answer D is right. Okay. Let's remove this and moving on. What we have next question. Yes. Okay. The increasing the function fx equals to cos x, where what is increasing? One approach is to find f dash of x and do the question. But other thing is draw the graph of cos x. Cos x starts from here. Please check. Start at 0. It is going to be 1. So 1, 2. It goes till at pi it goes till minus 1. Please check the trend. Starts from 1 goes to minus 1. What is the function? Decreasing. Answer is B. Answer is B. If you want, you can find it like this also. F dash will become equal to a minus sign x. Check the sine function 0 to pi. We'll have 0 to pi sine function as this, right? This is 0, this is pi. This is sine function, sine x. So sine x is positive in 0 to pi, but minus sine x will become what, sir? Negative. Means you'll have derivative as negative. It means fx will be decreasing. Okay? Easy. Easy, easy. Very easy question, sir. Okay. No. There's no advantage as such. Psi, CBSE and PU2 level are not very, like PU2 level are very good level only. It's not very easy. So KSAT or COMEDK will be having a different, will be having a similar kind of approach for the examination, because you have to solve 180 questions in 180 minutes. That's the biggest challenge in any of the, of these two examination. So Psi, it will not be like that. You will not have much advantages. Of course, you have advantage if you know the concepts very well. Anybody who studied properly will have advantage, otherwise you'll have no advantage. If studied, there's advantage, otherwise no advantage. Option B is correct. So Gupta, Anaga, yes. No, it is not easier, it is a little bit difficult only. COMEDK 11th questions are difficult than KSAT 11th question. Okay. Okay, let's start now, guys. Next question. The maximum value of fx equals to x cube minus 5x square plus 8x minus 4, maximum value of this, okay, f dash of x equals to what we have, 3x square minus 10x plus 8 we have, put it equal to 0 to find the critical point. Critical point we're going to find like this. We have 24 here, right? I can write here minus 6 and 4, will it work? Minus 6 and minus 4, yes. Please check, minus 6x minus 4x plus 8. I have here 3x is common, I get x minus 2. Minus 4 is common, I get x minus 2 again. Factors are what, sir? 3x minus 4 and x minus 2. Please check. I'm getting the value of x as either 2 or 4 by 3. 2 or 4 by 3. Correct? Okay. Now if you check, if you put in this function, if you put over here, this, right? If you put 2 over here, sir. Okay, first you have to find maximum value, no? So you have to find second derivative over here. Please check. Second derivative will be how much, sir? 6x minus 6. Excuse me. No, 6x minus 10. Sorry, sir. From here. Second derivative I'm finding 6x minus 10. Okay. If you put 2 over here, it will become 12 minus 2, which is 10. So f dash of 2 will be more than 0. We were looking for maxima, right? So this cannot be the case. I'm looking for minima. So let's find here f dash of. We don't have to find that. We have only 2 points. At the point 2, I'm getting here what, sir? More than 0 means other point will be minima. We have none of these options. Okay. So I don't have to find anything. Just simply find this value. Simply find this value. Find f of 4 by 3. That's the result. Please check. You will have here 64 by 27 minus 5 times of what is it, sir? 16 by 9. Okay. Plus we have 8 times of what is it, sir? 4 by 3, no? 4 by 3 minus 4 is there. LCM if you take 4 by 1, of course. LCM will be 27 over here. We get here 64. We have 9 3s are right. So I get 80 minus 240 I'm getting over here. Minus 240 I'm getting. 16 to 5 is 80. Into 3 will become 240 only. We have 3 9s are, so 80. We have what, sir? 8 for the 32. 32 into 3. So 96 is right. Please check. So no, 9s are, no? Excuse me, 9s are. My bad, sir. What we have over here is 3 9s is 27. 3 9s are is 27. Please check. So I'll have 32 times 9. What I'm going to get? 320 minus 32. How much is that? 300 minus 12, right? So I'll have 288 minus 4 times of this will get what, sir? 7 4s are is 28. We get 2 over here. 4 to the 16 plus 2 is 18, right? So 4 to the what I'm saying? 408, right? Excuse me. 4 7 is 28. I get 2 is the carry, and 4 to the 8 plus 2 is 10. 108 is the answer. Simplify this. I'm getting here value of adult. I'm getting here this as 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1 is 13. Sorry, 15. So many mistakes, sir. Having a bad day in calculation. Okay. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1 is 15. This is going to be 352. Answer will be minus 8, 4 and 3 again. Divided by 27. Answer will be how much? 4 by 27. Please check. Option is A. Option is A. Everyone? Yes. Yes. Okay, are you saying that is easier? All right. Sure thing. Yeah. Answer is A, correct. Let's move on. Everyone is clear with this? Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? Guys, please stick to the problems right now. I'm here to do the questions. Okay. So please stick to the problems right now. Later we're going to discuss other things. Works? So answers, I want answers from all of you who are in the live. Okay. Not just here to see the questions. Even if you know it, give me the answer quicker. Let's see. So Gupta has given so far all the answers. Correct. Okay. Spherical soap bubble is expanding so that its radius is increasing at the rate of this. Okay. They've given dr by dt, right? 0.02. At what rate is the surface area increasing? Radius is given as 5. Okay, they're asking us what is this no? ds by dt they're asking. It's a bubble, it means it's going to be spherical only. Of course, they've given spherical already. So we'll have S value as 4 pi r square. Please check. I'll have ds by dt as 8 pi r times of dr by dt. Okay, so I'll end up with, please check, 8 pi r. 1 second, I have the r value, right? I have the r value, so it's 5, right? What is the r value given as? 5. So 5, what is dr by dt value? 0.02. 0.02. Here I have 100. 2 5 10 means 1 0 is cancelled. I'm getting here this as 8 pi by 10. It means 0.8 pi, right? 0.8 times of pi, sir. Option A is correct. Question was asked in 2024. Question was asked in 2024. Please check. Yes. So I can see now some answers coming my way. Good. A. Sagufta, yes. Phoenix, yes. What is your answer, Phoenix? Yes, A is correct. Fun times. B is wrong, bacha. Please cross check. Sai, answer A is correct. Yes. All right. This is correct. Moving on. Anyone has doubt in this question, you can ask me. Otherwise, go ahead and go back and watch this solution. Let's begin from here. Minimum value of the function fx equals to x log x. Minimum value of this. How do you solve this question? Derivative. We'll get here x will be 1. You have log x as it is plus x as it is. You're going to get for log 1 by x. Cancel, cancel. I have answer as log of x plus 1. To find the critical point, what are you going to do? 0 here, sir. Put here. We'll have minus 1 equals to log of x. Okay, it means if I'm taking this, if I'm changing the form of log to exponential function, I'll have e power minus 1 equals to x, right? X will be equal to 1 upon e, right? All of you know this step? All of you know this step? No? If I have, let's say, y equals to log of x with the base a, x with the base a. This is a log function. I want to convert this into exponential function. What I'm going to get? A power y equals to x. Please check. In this case, the log base is e, sir. Natural log. Okay. So it will become e power minus 1 equals to x. I hope all of you know this. Okay. This is very basic. Okay. First definition that you learn in logarithms. I have the x value. Only one critical point is there. Don't worry about second derivative. There is only one critical point, right? So do not worry about second derivatives. Directly find this. Put this value back in the function. Find the f of 1 by e. Okay. You get 1 by e times of ln 1 by e. What are you getting over here? 1 by e times of ln e power minus 1. What do you get here? This will come up over here. I get minus 1 by e ln, sorry, ln e, right? Yeah. ln e is how much, sir? 1. My answer is minus 1 by e. B is right. Please check. B is right. Welcome, Ishwar. Thank you. No problem. So Sagufta, B is okay. Your query is revolved. I did not get your point. Okay, you are the crash course part, right? Yeah, very good. No problem. Okay, you can check here. This is clear, right? Everyone. B, I think I got the answer also from some. Mike Lyshan has given. Sai has given. Shagufta has given. Anaga has given. Right? Phoenix, what happened to you? Answer A. Is it for the previous one? Yeah. We'll do that, dear. We'll do that. We'll see. I'll ask to the team right now and we'll discuss it. We'll work on that. Okay. All right. So this is clear. Phoenix, this was the answer for you. We'll talk to the team and see what we can do about the video that you were asking. Okay. Chaliye. Between 1 and 2, how many local maxima of the function fx equals to 6x power 5 minus 7x power 4 plus 3x power cube, okay, power 3 actually, sorry, okay, has, how many local maxima it has? Okay, f dash of x will find first, 30x power 4. Sometimes, no, if the question statement is different, but you know the category, do one thing, whatever you know, you try that out. From there you can see, you have a better clarity. Right now, you might not have a clarity in this question, but if you solve the first step, in this question, what is the first step? Finding the derivative is the first step. Do the first step, then we're going to see something will happen. 28x power 3 plus 9x square plus 4x plus 11. Okay. I want local maxima, sir. But it is an increasing function, no? F dash of x is an increasing function. Please check, it's an increasing function, right? I have only one negative value, rest all is positive. For any value of x, it will be always increasing in nature. If you take x as any value, check here, 30 is there, 9, 4, 11. It's a increasing in nature value, okay? Only one is negative. If you take any value of x you're going to take, you'll have always what? This will be always increasing in nature, means fx is a increasing function. For example, check here, like this. For this function, will you get ever any local maxima? Let's say if you call this point to be maxima, again you'll have a different value more than this. If you call this to be point maxima, you'll have another value more than this. This function fx is always increasing in nature. So it means there is no local maxima. There is no local maxima. Answer is A. 0. Yes. No, NCERT level is not enough. Neha, NCERT level is not enough. You have to be able to solve questions from PYQs. Again, try to give some mocks. That will be enough. Okay. At least minimum of KSET level. Not less than that. Sagufta, A is correct. Anaga, A is correct. Sai, A is correct. Mike Tyson is saying Tukka. Okay, dear. No need of Tukka. We can apply the concepts. That's more than enough. Fx equals to x minus GIF of x. What is GIF of x, sir? Greatest integer function of x. We are asking that. But they have given the interval 0 to 1. Anyone who knows the graph, 0 is closed here, 1 is open. I have made a mistake in the model, this one, brackets, 0 is closed and 1 is open. 0 is closed and 1 is open. Great. So please check for any value if I have. If you remember the graph of this, I have taught you guys so many times. But if you remember the graph of this is the graph, right? 0, it is 0. For all the values till 1, it is what, sir? Till 1 it is 0 only. And at 1, what happens? It becomes equals to 1 and same goes over here. Means between 0 and 1, what is the function of? So this will become always 0 only, right? This is the graph of y equal to GIF of x. So between 0 and 1, this is always 0. Hence, the function is what? Fx equals to simply x minus 0. Please check. There. This function is this, no? This is your function, y equal to x, always increasing, sir. This function is always increasing function. Answer is A. If you want, you can find the derivative also. You'll get f dash of x as 1, which is more than 0. Answer will be, even if, let's say if I had two options here, increasing and strictly increasing. If I had two options over here, increasing and strictly increasing, I'll choose strictly increasing. It will be always more than 0, not equal to 0. Which question, Mike Tyson? This one? Yeah, it will be always increasing. No, please check the graph. In any interval, if you take, it will be always increasing. No. This whole function will not be increasing. Only this interval will be increasing. There's a difference, okay? Only this interval will be always increasing in nature. Yeah? Okay, Anaga, A is correct. Sagufta, A is correct. Yes. So, Mike Tyson, you are asking this doubt that, sorry, this will be increasing in all the interval? No. Because depending upon the interval, this function will be different. Correct, right? Getting my point? All right. Let's start now. Yes, correct. That is also true. Sai, you are right. That's how you define actually. So you define any number x as fractional part of x plus gi of x, right? If you move on this side, you'll get this only, no? That's right. Please check. So this is clear. If you want for the graph of this, that's the graph. Please check. The graph will be so if you check the 0 to 1 interval, no, it's going to be, this is 0, this is 1. You see, get the straight line, right? So it will be increasing in nature, no? Can you check the graph, Sai? If you're looking at the graph of the fractional part, you can see the graph is increasing in nature. Can you see that? And isn't this graph, Sai? Isn't this graph same as this graph? Please check. Make sense? All of you? Yes. Chaliye. Okay. Let's move on. So here try not to make a hypothesis, because no, what will happen, not every question will have different type of observation in a different interval. So if you go in that way, my action to think like that, what will happen, you'll have a very complicated results. So look at the problem that is there in your hand, and then only you try to solve that part. Okay, don't try to create a problem. We'll see what is the situation coming your way, and then only we can analyze that. So of course, basic idea I already gave it to you. If you're asking me, if you're talking about this function, please check. Basically this function is this function, right? This function is same as this function over here I've given. This is a given function. Okay, it means it will be always increasing in this interval, 1 to 2 if you go, 1 to 2 open, 2 to 3 open, like that. It will be increasing in nature. Getting my point? I hope you're getting my point, right? So if you're talking about this particular function, it will be increasing from 0 close to 1 open, 1 close to 2 open, 2 close to 3 open, and so on. Now it works? Yes? Great. Let's move on. Okay, but actually I did not talk about this because this fractional part is not there in your syllabus only. Only GIF is there. You don't have to talk about the graph of the fractional part. That's why I've never taught you in the KSET or COMEDK the fractional part. Okay, it's a part of JEE main questions. Yes, that's correct. Shagufta, B 2 second is correct here. All right. So let's solve this question. Displacement of this function. I want the acceleration, right? They've given the acceleration over here to us. Let's find the acceleration now from the given displacement function. We'll differentiate what? We're going to find this ds by dt. We'll have this as 6t square minus 10t plus 4. Okay. Second derivative, please check. We'll have this as 12t minus 10. This is equals to how much, sir? 14. Okay. So I get here as 12t equals to 24. So t equals to 2 is correct answer. B is correct. Shagufta, yes, you are right. Yes. Okay, Anaga, B is correct. What next? This is your complete session. So I've done I think I've done all the questions. Yes, I've taken I think around close to 20 questions I've taken today. So we have completed that. So starting from, you can see from I think 2011 I've taken till 2024 I've done a lot of questions. So different trends I've taken. This was it session Bacha today. Now if you have a doubt, you can ask me your general doubts. So questions are complete. Okay, your questions are complete. If you have something to do, you can go ahead and continue with your studies. So this session for COMEDK Launchpad of Mathematics of AOD is over. Questions part is over. Doubts you can ask. Sir, क्या आप RCB का match देखोगे? Dear, I have some work to do today. I have some live sessions, some recorded sessions for the crash course as well. So I'll be a little busy in that. I'm not watching. I'm not able to follow IPL right now. So I'm not following IPL right now. But I heard that Rohit Sharma was scoring runs. That is good to hear. Okay. Sir, today I've joined COMEDK crash course. Is that live classes there? So Gupta, yes, there are a lot of lives, but there will be for doubt clarification. So we had a couple of lives. So because the thing is, no, there are a lot of students in COMEDK crash course. So if I take a lot of live, what will happen? There are a lot of disturbances. So now you don't want to spoil that much of time. So we are giving you 6 sessions per day in the COMEDK crash course, 3 of concept, 3 of PYQs. Every day you're getting that. Okay. Till I think there's some schedule given to you. If you join the session, you will know that very well. So there are 6 sessions coming every day. Okay. There's a schedule. You can try and stick to that. So the sessions are all recorded. All PYQs, all concepts are recorded. But lives, we are coming live. I think from Monday onwards we'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we have live. Then from 3rd May we have everyday live. Okay. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we have 1 teacher live per day. And from the later I think we have every day 3 teachers live. All three subjects will be live on every day. So we're gonna be here in live to take your doubts from the DPPs, from the mocks. Everything will be there. So don't worry. We have live, but only for doubt clarification. We are teaching only the recorded form. That is clear, Shagufta. Please try to focus on the mock tests and of course DPPs, PYQs. And if you are getting little less marks in mock tests, don't worry. On purpose, we have given a difficult paper over there so that if you're scoring 40 plus, no, you'll be getting 55 plus easily in the examination. Okay. So Gupta, this was your answer. So today your live class is there. No, dear, we don't have a live class right now. From Monday, I think chemistry ma'am has live. Mine is Wednesday live. Okay. And then next set of live will be starting from 3rd May. Doubt clarification session will be there. Right now you have available your courses are there and you have mock test. I think 2 of the mock tests are already live. Second is going today only. Please check. Second mock test is today only. So okay, I think my sir, when will try an integration session come? We'll try to give in couple of sessions, but I think Monday we'll try. So maybe in 1 or 2 sessions we'll have integration, no problem. Okay. So Sagufta, today your live class is there? No. Okay, sir, if I do NCRT and PYQs of integration, is that enough? Look, the thing is, if you want a limited answer for integration, I always ask all of you to stick to some form of integration. This is for all students who struggle in integration. This is for all your students who struggle in integration. What is the first thing? Of course, all basic formulas, all functions formula you should know. Means all type of basic formula you should know. Okay. Secondly, after this, work on substitution methods question. Thirdly, work on by parts question. Okay. Fourth one, if you want to practice some questions on this, all function formula, substitution by parts, you can do properties of definite. Properties, when I say I talk about odd even questions. And the other one, remember that upper limit minus lower limit by 2 wala question, that is there. This kind of question comes. Okay. Fifth, if you want to ask me partial fraction, there is one form. Okay, partial fraction. In this, you're supposed to solve like this. Remember, we have some function over here, a upon x minus a times of x minus b. This form only. This much you can do. These are all easy ones. Okay. Sir, you have explained everything, but it is going to be high weighted chapter. No, you'll have almost 4 to 5 questions coming from this. You'll have 4 to 5 questions coming from this. So of course it has to be prepared properly. But this is a minimum you can do. Okay. Yes, I've taken over here. Only this much is enough in partial fraction. Only this form. Sir, mock test will be in the PDF form. Yes, you'll have a PDF form mock test. You'll get the again access the way you're gonna do online, right? In COMEDK, same access is also there. The quiz form is also there, and of course PDF will be, you're gonna get PDF solutions will also get. Okay. So we have recorded some live sessions. You can watch those to get the information. So in those sessions only, in the recorded live session that is available to you, in that you can see how to access the platform. Everything is explained very clearly. Okay. Yeah. Okay, anything else? So is this miscellaneous example important? NCRT, dear, yes, but there are a lot of questions to solve. Okay, if you can solve it, I'm telling you, stick to this category. If you are weak in integration, stick to this category. Otherwise, if you're good, then you're good. But yeah, questions are important in miscellaneous. Sir, if I need to score 35 plus, tell me, sir. I took your COMEDK course. I'm not getting a question, dear. Have you taken it? What do you want to take? I don't know. 35 plus you can score in mathematics easily if you focus on the easier concept first. Almost 20 marks will be coming from there only. 15 to 20 marks will be from that easier concepts, easier problems. If you can score that, rest 15 will be your hard work. How can you get that? By getting more practice, by writing more and more mock tests. Okay. So Gupta, I solved the mock paper 1. I got 50 plus. Very good, dear. Very, very good. Steps. You're doing good. I'm very proud of that. Okay, sir, in KSAT they take 50 boards. No, there's nothing like that in COMEDK. Okay, this time we had a hard physics paper was hard, so it obviously will be hard to score above 290 out of. Do we have advantage in that rank? No, dear, there's nothing like that. Any board you're gonna come. I don't think there's a option of taking physics was hard in CBSE, so you'll have a different variety. No, I don't think you'll have that. For example, some state boards you can't score more than 70%. I'm telling you very outright. For example, I'm from Bihar, right? Scoring more than 70% in Bihar is a big deal. Even toppers gets 84% in Bihar board. Okay, so they will not consider that part. You have to get that much only. They'll consider the half part. They'll not consider that weightage is more in the Bihar board. I don't think they do. I have no clarity, but I don't think they do. Okay, very good, Shagupta. So where from Bihar? Patna. Sir, which is next chapter you're doing in the live or in the crash course? Crash course, you have full schedule given to you. Please go ahead and check the schedule out. Okay, Shagufta. All right. So in COMEDK, what is the difficulty level of coordinate geometry? Not much. We don't have very difficult question on the coordinate geometry. So CG, yeah. So questions coming from your conic section might be difficult. Conic sections. I don't think I've seen a question in straight line which is that difficult. We'll see that. Don't worry, we'll get those questions over here as well. YouTube, next we're gonna take. I'm here to decide. You guys tell me, what should I take next? So Sunday session will not be live, dear. Sunday session will be a recorded session. Okay. So I'm not going to do integration in the next session. I'm telling you outright. Next Sunday, my session is on Sunday. That will be a recorded session. Okay, I'll not be in the office. I cannot take live on that day. But Wednesday I'll be coming live again. So Wednesday I'm going to do integration. Tomorrow on Sunday I'll not do integration. So tell me another chapter of your choice. Sir, in COMEDK under 10K rank, 100 marks is enough. I think you should be 100. Yeah, 100 should be enough for I think 10K rank. Anagha, sir, I got 100 in KSAT and 284 in boards. Can I get below 10K? Yes, I think you can get below 10K, right? 100 plus and 1284 should be good enough. The thing is, look, I'm telling you what ma'am, Aspirants ma'am has done a detailed solution, detailed rank-wise analysis. Okay, please go ahead and check that video out. That will be very helpful for you. She has talked about the rank, where from which to which marks in PCM and the comparison with the KSAT marks. Please go and watch that session. Okay. Sir, I got that is clear. Probability. Next we can do probability. All right, I'll try. Okay. So, Sagupta, sir, below 500 or 1000 rank, how much score in COMEDK? You going to aim for 150 plus only, Sagupta, nothing less. Okay. Try to aim for 145, 150 plus. Forget about the rank right now. You got good rank in KSAT, right? So try good marks in KSAT. Try to aim for 145, 150 in the COMEDK. The rank will take care of itself. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, Furby is saying, sir, is possible to score 100 marks starting from now? I know basics in physics and maths, but chem is very weak. I think ma'am is following chemistry sessions in the COMEDK crash course. If you're following all of that, she has done really good job in the KSAT examination. For all the students, you can ask them. So, of course, if you follow our sessions in COMEDK KSAT, it will be good enough. But for COMEDK crash course, he's doing the sessions right now. Okay, this is for Furby. Sir, it's possible. Okay, I've given you an answer. Dhanu Prakash is saying, sir, please tell us the weightage. I told you already. We have 67% of the 12th and 33% from the PU1, or which is 11th. Okay. Gupta, you're welcome. So no other questions, guys. So I'm going to end the session now. All right. Yes. So I'll just wait for a minute. Then I'll end the session. Okay. All right. So this completes your session today. Okay. I can erase this part, right? This is not part of the solution, no. Let me just erase this part. All right, I can erase these things, sir, because I have to give you this solution, right? This PPT, this PDF. So I have to. Mr. Gupta, if you are there, no, there's a WhatsApp channel in our COMEDK crash course. Please join that for any updates. Okay. For all of you who are there in the COMEDK crash course, in that only you'll have access to the WhatsApp channel. Please go ahead and join it out. Okay. So this is it. I'm going to end the session now. See you again in the next session. So we'll see. I'll try to do a recorded session on the Sunday, and then Wednesday I'm going to come live with integration. That is okay. Let's continue next time when we meet. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.